Amazon announced the new Kindle Scribe lineup and it looks amazing. But many people in the UK, Canada, and other countries are wondering, why can't I buy it yet?
Today, I'll explain how these global launches actually work, share Amazon's official timeline, and give you 3 excellent alternatives you can get right now on Amazon in your country. And just so we're clear, this isn't a Kindle is bad video. This is a how product launches work video. So here's the situation. Amazon announced new Kindle Scribe models, but availability varies by region. If you go to Amazon UK right now, you'll see the Kindle Scribe ColorSoft page says, "Coming soon." Amazon's official statement says, quote, "All 3 products will be available in the UK and Germany next year." Now, this is typical of staged rollouts. Announcement date does not equal worldwide availability date. Let me show you exactly what's coming and when. First, let's clear up the confusion about which Kindle is which. Number 1, the original Kindle Scribe. That's 10.2 inches, black and white, and it's already available in the UK. Number 2, the Kindle Scribe ColorSoft Signature Edition. This is a 7-inch color e-reader, and it's available in some regions. Number 3, the new Scribe lineup that was just announced. This includes 3 models, all at 11 inches. The Kindle Scribe 11 inches, the Kindle Scribe ColorSoft 11 inches, that's the color version, and a Kindle Scribe 11 inches without a front light, which is the budget option. The confusion is totally normal. Amazon has several Kindle lines, and these new 11-inch Scribe models are the ones UK buyers are waiting for. Okay, so what's the timeline? According to The Verge, the US launch happened on December 10th, 2025. For the UK and Germany, Amazon's official wording is next year, which likely means early to mid-2026. So we're looking at roughly a 2 to 4 month gap between US availability and the UK or European launch. Now, let me explain why that's actually standard practice. This is about logistics and launch strategy, not about ignoring certain countries. Here are 6 reasons why Amazon does this. Reason number 1, manufacturing ramp and stable inventory. When you launch a brand new product, you need time to scale production. Amazon launches in one region first to make sure they can actually meet demand before expanding globally. Number 2, holiday timing strategy. The US holiday season, Thanksgiving, Black Friday, Christmas, drives massive sales. Amazon prioritizes this window and then expands globally after the holiday rush is over. Number 3, regional compliance and certifications. Each country requires different certifications. For Europe, you need CE marking. Other regions have their own standards. Regulatory approvals take time. Number 4, local store and language readiness. Product pages, customer support scripts, warranty terms, all of this needs to be localized. Amazon wants to make sure everything is properly translated and integrated into the local store. Number 5, support and returns infrastructure. Customer service teams need training on the new device. Return and repair systems must be ready in each region. This isn't something you can just flip on overnight. And finally, number 6, risk management. Amazon launches in one market first, collects feedback, fixes any issues, and then rolls out globally with improvements already in place. Here's the key. This doesn't mean the Kindle Scribe isn't great. Amazon just wants to make sure the launch goes smoothly in every market. So, what can UK or international buyers do? You've got 2 main options. Option 1, wait for the official release. And honestly, this is the recommended move. You'll get full local warranty, proper customer support in your language, and easy returns through Amazon UK. If you want peace of mind, waiting for the official UK release is the safest option. Just keep an eye on those coming soon pages for updates. Option 2, import from the US. This is possible, but warranty and returns might be more complicated. You may need to handle customs or VAT, and you want to check voltage compatibility for the charger. Some people do import early, but just know that support might be trickier. Now, while you wait, here are 3 excellent alternatives that are available right now on Amazon in your country. If you're in the UK, number 1, the Remarkable 2. This is a premium note-taking tablet. Number 2, the Kobo Ellipsa 2E. That's a 10.3-inch e-ink note-taking device. And number 3, the BOOX Note Air 3C. This is a 10.3-inch color e-ink tablet. If you're in Canada, number 1, the Kobo Ellipsa 2E, 10.3 inches, great for PDFs. Number 2, the BOOX Note Air 3C, also 10.3 inches with color. And number 3, the Remarkable 2, available through third-party sellers. And if you're in Austria or Germany, number 1, the Remarkable Paper Pro, that's 11.8 inches, the premium tablet. Number 2, the Kobo Ellipsa 2E, 10.3 inches. And number 3, the BOOX Note Air 3C, the color option. These are all solid devices for reading and note-taking. Availability can change, but as of now, they're listed on your local Amazon. All right, let's recap. The new Kindle Scribe lineup looks great. UK and international availability is coming in 2026, and staged launches like this are totally normal for global products. Now, here's what I want you to do. Drop a comment below with your country and what you need. Reading, PDFs, heavy note-taking, and I'll suggest the best option for you. And if you want a detailed comparison, Kindle Scribe versus these alternatives, let me know in the comments. Make sure to subscribe for updates when UK availability is officially confirmed. Look, Kindle is strong for reading and the Amazon ecosystem. The question isn't quality, it's just timing. I'll see you in the next one.